everyone. Well, it's been a hot, busy day and I haven't done anything with my work. Nothing's been working out right, but that's Mondays for you, I guess. Yeah, I did manage to get some experimenting done with the bench top. You can probably see it's been slightly propped up. I was trying to find the right, close enough to the right balance. So I started out with some good old 70-35, and the 35 was just a little bit not quite high enough. The 70 was a little bit too high. So I then went down to the hardware store, had a chat with the guys down there, and I got myself some 70-45. So it gives me another 10 mil on the top. I was sort of going to go for 50, but we didn't have anything that was 50. So what we're going to try, I'm just going to slip this. We've got a few pieces of this, you can see them behind me. And we're just going to make them as, just as rails across the top. And hopefully that should do the job. So I say hopefully because, well, otherwise I'm going to have to wait another day. And really, the amount of things I'm not getting done, I really can't afford to do that. So hopefully this works. I probably should take the customer MacBooks out. It wouldn't be good if the bench top landed on them. I'm going to see if I can get lucky and just slide the beams underneath, then move the table forward, and then drill and secure the beams to the back before pushing the table back forward to the back again. That was a little more complicated than I expected to say. Yeah, it's pretty secure. What is the use of safe spaces to put things when you can't remember where the safe spaces were? That's a good reason why I need this workbench all cleared up. Oh, seriously, you call that a safe space? Oh my goodness. It's a freaking treasure hunt. Found him. I remember my father trying to teach me how to do the twist grip thing like that, except it was with the mains power drills. It took me a while to get used to that and not kill myself, but so my father is a very good carpenter, civil engineer type person. Me, on the other hand, I didn't quite follow in those footsteps, but I certainly still learned a lot of things. Alright, we're going to stop for there for the moment. We've got things partially mounted onto the wall there, and it's not putting any vibrations through the bench, so that's good. Positioning seems fairly good. If it's not the kind of stuff, we're going to have to work around that, at least until my laziness wears off. The suction from the fume hood is a little down on what I want, and I think a lot of that is because because of that gap between the wall and the actual bench top, it's drawing from the underneath. So the easy way to fix that is just simply put a plate, a cover plate on the bench itself, going back to the wall, and then that will prevent the air being drawn up from behind without there being any contact between the filter and the bench itself. So we'll leave it at that for now. I'm going to go off and get some lunch. What am I talking about? I'm going to go off and get some dinner so that I can think properly and then come back and hopefully we'll be able to make some more progress. Well, that's enough for me for tonight. I'm pretty much wasted. Not enough sleep, I think. I'll have to work on that. It's really not finished at the moment. We've still got a lot of stuff to do. I've got electrics to sort out. I've got lighting to sort out. It's very much a work in progress, but at this point, at least I can start to get back to doing some work. Anyway, we're going to leave it there for now. What else? We'll have to get a slab to put under the microscope for the base. Maybe a piece of marble or granite or just maybe a piece of hardwood. About 20 mil thick, and that should lift it up just that final little bit that I was wanting and give me a little less cricking in the neck. Can't think of much else to go on about at the moment, so I think I'll wait till tomorrow, get a bit more sleep and start anew again. I'm sure there's plenty of things I'm going to have to sort out, but that's the nature of redoing workshop benches. It takes a long time to do it in the first place, and when you redo everything again, you have to start all over again. Thank you all for coming in and watching the long process. Make sure you like and subscribe and share around. I really appreciate it if you do that. It helps me in so many ways. If you've got any ideas of what you would like to see being done on the workbench, maybe some tips, then by all means make them in the comments. I'm more than happy to see those comments come up. So until next time, you all take care. I'll see you later. Hey everyone, back. It's really late at night, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning, but I just thought I'd add this bit to the end. I'm sitting at the desk tonight and in the middle section there, and it just wasn't quite feeling right. Scratch my nose, that feels better. So I shifted things back down to where they were before, but with the new room, the back of the bench, and then the rearrangements of things, it now feels a lot more open and comfortable to work with, a lot simpler to work with, and I think that's because also I've taken away the computer trolley thing. I've already ordered a machine for this. Well, actually, it'll probably become my workstation machine, and the workstation, the i5-8400, will become the streaming machine. And I'm contemplating ordering another 22-inch screen, so I'll end up with 3 screens in a horizontal fashion. And I think finally everything will be able to come together very nicely and be able to push the production level up. So anyway, I'm going to leave it at that, and it's going to take a few more days of hard work to get back into things, but at least I'll be able to get up in the morning and get started with some jobs that have been long time waiting. Until then, I'll see you later.